Maybe we need to have a little bit of a sugar conversation right now. Sugar is not bad. Sugar is bad for humans, but not because of why you think it's bad for humans. When you strip sugar, which is sucrose, right? Sucrose is a disaccharide of glucose and fructose. When you strip that out of a fruit or out of honey, for instance, you are removing it from a very complex food matrix full of hundreds, if not thousands of other chemicals. And your body doesn't know what to do with pure sucrose. And the problem with pure sucrose is not that it raises your blood sugar. The problem with pure sucrose is that it causes overgrowth of the wrong type of bacteria in your gut. Because all of these other hundreds, if not thousands of chemicals that are in a banana or an orange or a strawberry or a blueberry or a raw organic honey actually temper the negative effects of sugar in your body. They prevent overgrowth of bacteria in your gut. So whole foods are things that humans have been eating for hundreds of thousands of years as Homo sapiens and previously as millions of years as pre-hominid ancestors. And our body and our gut flora know what to do with these. Strawberries don't cause diabetes. Blueberries don't cause diabetes. And I would even say that raw honey doesn't cause diabetes. But sugar is a problem for humans because it affects your gut flora negatively, because it's devoid of all these chemicals, which are naturally occurring in strawberries, honey, etc., that are inherent in the whole fruit, that are essential to balance the gut flora when you consume this. So when you consume pure sugar, you are causing dysbiosis in your gut. And this gets a little technical, but dysbiosis in your gut leads to increased levels of endotoxin in your body. Endotoxin is lipopolysaccharide. That is a gram-negative cell wall component. So gram-negative is a type of bacteria. There's gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. And a component of the gram-negative bacterial cell wall is lipopolysaccharide. When you have too much lipopolysaccharide in your gut, it moves through the gut into your bloodstream, and you get something called metabolic endotoxemia. The same thing happens when you have high fructose corn syrup. So high fructose corn syrup is made from corn. We can talk about that in conjunction with these multi-billion-dollar corn lobbies that have forced producers to make, or I would say urged producers to make more high fructose corn syrup versus regular corn, versus regular sugar. But any type of processed sugar, I think, is harmful for humans because it affects your gut flora negatively. And that leads to this complex term, which is metabolic endotoxemia. And metabolic endotoxemia leads to dysfunctional metabolism, which is breaking your mitochondria. So ultimately, if we zoom way, way out and we look at human health, metabolic dysfunction, which is also known as insulin resistance, which can also lead to diabetes. It's on the spectrum of prediabetes. This is at the core of so many, I would say the vast majority of chronic disease in humans. 90%